Hi all and welcome to my dino hoods tutorial. First you'll need to buy the dino hood pattern from my Etsy. Then measure the circumference of your head. Print the neck pieces. You will need them to see if the pattern is big enough or if you need to resize it. You need to measure the top of the back and front of the neck pieces. Add the number of the two pieces together and multiply with 2. This number should be the same or bigger than the circumference of your head, otherwise it won't fit. Now you're going to print your pattern. If the pattern is at 100%, it's suitable for children or people with smaller heads, like 54 centimeters or 21 inches. If your head is bigger, you need to resize the pattern. Once you've printed it, you can cut the pattern. Take the pieces of hood 1 and hood 2 and tape them together. You should have one big pattern piece now. Take your fur and check if the hairs are going in the right direction. Take your pattern pieces and trace them on the fur. Each piece should be traced twice, one flipped. This should be all your pattern pieces now, 2 of each. I forgot to add the seam allowance in this video, so I will show you in the next clip. If you are sewing with a sewing machine, always add a seam allowance. Now it's time to cut your fabric. If you are using scissors, make sure to make little snips. That way you won't cut through the hairs. You can also use an X-Acto knife and cut carefully through the fur. After cutting your pieces, brush them. That way you get rid of all the loose hairs. Connect the chin piece to the hood and close the darts. I'm using wonder clips for this, but you can also use pins if you like. After you've done that, repeat this step with the other hood and chin piece. Sew all the parts you just clipped together. Clip the two hood pieces together. Connect the chin pieces and the back of the hood. Leave the bottom and the front piece of the hood open. Otherwise you can't add the neck and the dino mask later on. Sew all the pieces you just clipped together. When you're done, lay this piece aside, because we're going to make the neck next. Lay out the neck pieces as shown, and clip them together like I'm showing in the video. Now you can sew the neck. You're going to attach the neck to the hood piece. Make sure the back seam of the neck matches the back seam of the hood. Once you've clipped it all together, you can sew the neck and the hood piece together. The sewing part is all done now, and you can add your hood to your dino mask. Unfortunately, I don't have a dino mask here at the moment, but the process is pretty simple. Just add some carvings on the edge of your dino mask. This way the glue will have a better grip. Once you've done that, you can glue the hood down with hot glue. This is a tutorial for a simple hood, but you can add ears, hair pieces and whatever you like to it. Thank you all for watching and let me know if you have any more questions.